My name is Richard Liu from Garage Factory SD, and I will be announcing the project Nostril-Light. I created the Nostril-Light to be the best flashlight to use to look in your nose. It offers two very bright directional LEDs, a slider for dimming control, and an intuitive on-off switch. It's very portable and modular to fit and carry on your hand. And here's my buddy, Ray, and he has a lot in his nose. He uses the Nostril-Light and you can see whether they are clogged, blocked, or clear. If he detects any boogers, instead of picking it, he could just use a Kleenex and blow it out and check whether it's gone. So the next time that you get your nose swabbed, you can make sure you won't get extra stuff on it. Also, it comes in multiple colors. These different colors from a research study done by intranasal therapy can help you recover, help you be in a better mood for sleep, help you calm, or even help you become more alert by shining these color wavelengths to your nose. However, these devices aren't clinically tested, so I can't guarantee any specific results. Another use case for these nose lights is that they could be a color LED marker for slow shutter photography. You can use the on and off feature to write just continuous words and letters. For this Kickstarter campaign, I wanted to test out this idea and see if there's a market for it. Each one of these lights costs $5 and a complete set would cost you $25. Additional add-on items are hats and a shirt. Thanks for checking out this video. Hope you guys can support this campaign and hopefully it can be successfully backed. Thanks.